Okay, we are now 4 days post procedure. It's Thursday. I had it done on Monday afternoon. The hardest part is sleeping at night, and for some reason I get super itchy, and nothing, even Benadryl's not really working for that. So that's the hard part. My face feels really tight. I wouldn't call it painful, but it's starting to peel. Kind of see that. And today was the first day, on day 4, that I get to start putting in some more of this skincare system that, oh my gosh, you guys, I get to use, this is called the Curing Nectar. I love that. And then they also have they call this filler in a bottle, along with all my washes and Aquaphor too. And then they also have the peptide with vitamin C. You guys, this is like amazing. It feels so good. And so I'm still washing my face 4 times a day. And I'm 4 days out. And now that I can see where it's peeling, and when I feel it, it is like the softest skin I've ever felt. So I think this is going to look amazing. I'm just being patient here.